Welcome to Tony's Kitchen. I am Tony, dressed like Tony Stark, but sound like some other guy named Tony. It's a joke. Ha 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 ha. Today, we are going to be making cheese quesadillas. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, Tony, that looks like it should be pronounced quesadilla. True, but I have it on good authority that it's actually pronounced quesadilla. Now, what you need for a cheese quesadilla is 2 flour tortillas and some shredded cheese. Now, the cheese can be pre-shredded or you can shred it yourself, but really it's kind of a choice of, do you want it to be easy or do you want to get carpal tunnel? That's up to you. Also, you're going to need a skillet, probably about the size of the tortillas that you're going to be using. All right? Now, this is when we get into the good part. Now, first, you want to go ahead and put your skillet on about a medium heat. I try to keep mine somewhere between 2 and 4 because it does get pretty hot. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your first tortilla, throw it in the skillet. All right? Then you're going to take your cheese, your shredded cheese, and sprinkle it evenly over the first tortilla. Now, you can use all of the cheese or you could not. But if you don't use all the cheese, you're probably a economist. All right? Then, after you sprinkled your cheese on there, you take the second tortilla, put it over the top. Allow the cheese to melt. This will glue the tortillas together in some sort of adhesive fashion, and then you can flip it. As the cheese starts to melt, you can move around your tortilla and kind of feel it out. Feel it out. Now, you could take a spatula and flip it, but this ain't pancakes, all right? This is a tortilla. This is a quesadilla, all right? Do you think back in the old days they used spatulas? No. So, we're gonna try this here right quick. Just do a little bit of a flip. Just test the waters out, you know, you can't just go it all at once. And then, boom, there you go. Flip it on the other side. Get that nice golden brown crust. Let the other side cook, and you're good to go. Now, once your quesadilla is done cooking, go ahead and plate it and serve it up. Just go ahead and slide it right off the skillet here. Bada bing, bada boom. It's so simple. Now from here, you could go ahead and cut it up, dice it up, do whatever you want. Me, I prefer to eat it right off the plate. It's hot. That's all the time we have for today. We will see you next time on Tony's Kitchen. Take it easy.